Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. I'm just going to recreate her blue dress here, removing everything except for the accessories adjustments. And I did use some Robux and some VIP items, but you can replace it. These are just some ideas. For the hair, select this hair in black and toggle it to no bangs, and select this hair in only bangs in black. Adjustments Y.52. Select this crown and color it this color D0, E3, E6. Position it at Y.57. Rotate it the same and scale it to 0.37. Get this crown, toggle it to the second toggle. Color it the same. Position the Y.62, Z.44, and scale it to 0.06. For the dress, I am going to be using this Robux item, but this is just an inspo. I'm going to be coloring it this color, ADDAFF in glitter for all of it. And then I'm also going to use these sleeves in that same color in opaque, actually in the lighter color. Then I'm just going to use these gloves here with no fur in this lighter color, the same as the crown in glitter. Then I'm going to get this necklace in the second toggle, color it white and blue, but I'm just going to make it a little bit darker. And then I am also going to get the bow from the dress here. So toggle it to bow only and color it this color, 6995AC. I think I might add like silk to it or glitter. I think I'll add silk. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!